Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. The response has been so amazing since I've been doing these videos again. I've actually only done one. And it was a Christmas one we did, Mele Kamakawiwo'ole. It's been 3 years that separated my last one to the one that I just uploaded. If you missed that one, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right up here. But the response has been so amazing. Thank you so much for just being patient and being there and waiting for me to make another video. I hope all of you are having so much fun on your ukulele journey. We're gonna go ahead and knock out another one from the He Mele Aloha book. That's what we usually do here. It's a great resource for Hawaiian music. Learning Hawaiian music, about 300 plus amazing traditional Hawaiian songs. I'll go ahead and post that right here, and I'll actually post in the description below where you can obtain it. You don't actually really need the book on these videos because I go ahead and I put all the lyrics down here, and then I'll put the chords right up here. So let's go ahead and get right into our song. This one was a requested song called Noho Paipai, and this is what you call one of those it's kind of a risque Hawaiian song. In Hawaiian music, we have what's known as kauna in our music, or hidden meaning or hidden poetry. This song actually, if you look at the Hawaiian translation, which I'll put right here, I mean, it's pretty out there. It leaves little to the imagination. So it's one of those risque, fun Hawaiian songs. We like to have fun with our music. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. The chords are very, very simple. Just C, just a C7, okay, F, D7, and I like to use the Hawaiian D7, which is a middle finger on the 4th string on the G, the low G, and then you have the ring finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. I like to use this. It's a little bit more open sounding as opposed to that D7. There's also a G7 in the song, and I think that's pretty much it. Very basic chords, and the strum that we're going to use, just a simple single strum. Just like that. And at the end, I'll go ahead and show you another strum that you can use. It's a little bit more fun, a little bit more energetic, that you can use as a different option once you've mastered this simple strum. Okay, so let's just go in. What I usually do is I start with the Olelo Hawaiʻi, or the Hawaiian language, first. I know that Hawaiian music can be a little bit intimidating sometimes because of the language, so I'm here to help make that transition a little bit easier for you. First verse is Pupu e iho au e mehana. Okay, Pupu e iho au e mehana. Okay, Hone ana o wese Iku'u poli. And in Hawaiian language, we have what's known as a kahako, which is a macron over the vowel, and that just simply means to elongate that vowel. And then also we have what's called an okina, and what we do with that one looks like an upside down apostrophe, and then we put that before a vowel to it's sort of like a glottal stop on that vowel. So you emphasize that particular vowel that it's in front of. Let's go to the second verse. Mehe ala no, okay, and then there you see that kahako over the no. E, I mai ana, okay, I mai ana. Auhea ku'ulei roselani. All right. Third verse. Malihini, visitors, stranger in this case. Malihini oe, malihini au. Okay, Makaihu kaua kamaaina. All right. Fourth verse, ina o, and then the English word you, me au, me au. Okay. Kaupono ika noho paipai. All right. Kaupono ika noho paipai. All right. Final verse. And this is a verse that you might see a lot in Hawaiian music. Ha'ina ia mai kapuana. Okay? Second line, hone ana o uese iku'u poli. All right? And that might look familiar because that's the second line of the first verse. And usually with the last line, or the last verse in a Hawaiian song, the ha'ina verse, usually starts it with ha'ina mai kapuana, and then it ends it, or it references the very first verse. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You know the chords, you know the ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi or the Hawaiian language, and now all there is left to do is the music and the vocal melody. Little vamp. Third verse, malihini, okay? Malihini oe, malihini au, makaihu kaua kamaaina. All right, this is the really risque verse, the ina verse, okay? Ina o you me au kaupono ika noho paipai. Two people, one rocking chair. You do the math.
What?
All right, last verse. Ha'ina mai kapuana. I'm having too much fun on these. Here we go. Ha'ina ia mai kapuana. Honiana oese kuupoli. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you a different kind of a strum. It's actually, if you play this particular strum along with the single strum, they actually match up together if you're playing with a friend. So one can play the single strum, one can play this next strum called the classic strum, which I'll show you now. And using C, it's just down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, it just sounds like this. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Good job. Down, up, down, up, down. The vamps just sound like this. Let's just go right into it. Here we go. Straight through. Ku All right, great job. I really highly recommend you guys check out a couple great versions of this song. Auntie Genoa's version is probably one of the most popular versions on this Party Hula's vinyl, or you can get it on CD, digital download, Spotify, all of this stuff. Auntie Genoa, iconic version. There's also a version by a group called the Keawe Crater Boys. Troy Fernandez, an incredible ukulele player if you've never seen him before, and a good friend who passed away, rest in aloha, Ernie Cruz Jr. Great music. Check both of those out if you get a chance. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on this ukulele journey, allowing me to help you with the ukulele. If you want to keep in touch, go ahead and check out my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, of course my website www.stevenespanyola.com. If you like these videos, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe below. And as always, ahuiho, malamapono, and I'll see you guys in the next one.